The road to green transportation is varied, from electric to hybrid cars, to smaller engines doing more work, and even lighter products. But I think the ultimate goal might just be a hydrogen car. We've been hearing about hydrogen technology for decades. We've even driven some on the show. But the future always seems so far away and out of our reach. The chance to buy or drive a hydrogen vehicle is now closer, with Toyota introducing their FCEV, or their fuel cell vehicle. An electric drive, mid-size four-door sedan, the vehicle won't require customers to compromise on safety, price, or performance. Instead, the FCEV will travel approximately 300 miles on a single fill-up of hydrogen, which takes less than 5 minutes.
Toyota assembled a diverse group of engineers from Japan and also the US to evaluate and test our fuel cell prototype, which we will bring to market in 2015. So we did extreme testing, cold testing in Yellowknife, Canada, where we got temperatures down to minus 30 degrees, so really cold. Now we're doing the exact opposite. We're moving to the extreme hot desert environment where temperatures over 120 degrees. So we're here to evaluate all the extremes and understand this technology.
So a recurring theme with our testing is that we have to bring our hydrogen with us. So this is our Air Products mobile fueler that we have in Las Vegas to fuel the vehicle with hydrogen. So a lot of people, the general public, really is not familiar with hydrogen at all, and they have some real concerns about it. They hear compressed gas, they think Hindenburg, but really hydrogen has some great aspects to it, like how much lighter it is than air. So it's 16 times lighter than air, which lets it dissipate into the atmosphere much faster. Also, we use materials that are leak-proof or hydrogen-proof. They make sure that hydrogen cannot permeate through them and leak. So there are certain ways that the systems can be designed so that they're as safe as gasoline systems. So when we first started filling vehicles, more than 10 years ago, it's been over a decade that we're filling vehicles, you used to see people out here filling with safety glasses and with PPE, personal protective equipment. They had the lab jackets on. We'd actually go out and ground the vehicle. Since then, we've been able to prove that there's no need to have all that extra safety equipment.
Toyota is taking steps to ensure that owners of hydrogen fuel cell vehicles will be able to fill their tanks no matter what brand is on the hood. The company announced it had entered into a financial relationship with First Element Fuels to support the long-term operation and maintenance of 19 new hydrogen refueling stations in California.
Some of Toyota's biggest challenges are going to be in educating the customer on what to expect from a fuel cell vehicle, and also to support the building of a hydrogen infrastructure so that there are enough places to fuel. I think fuel cell vehicles are the only no-compromise solution that's all electric and zero emissions.
The FCEV will be in Japan first, being released in the spring of 2015, with the European and US markets soon to follow. California will be the leader to start with. Let's hope that there'll be more filling stations available so that we can all have a chance to drive a road where the only emissions is water from a hydrogen car's tailpipe.